1 spoonful of baking soda every day can do this. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a common item found in most kitchens. Many people know it for its role in baking. Along with that, just a spoonful of this versatile powder each day may offer a range of surprising benefits. From improving digestion to enhancing exercise performance, baking soda may be a game changer in your daily routine. But its uses don't stop there. Beyond personal health, baking soda is also an incredibly effective household cleaner, deodorizer, and even a pest control agent. That's why in today's video we will talk about the 10 benefits of 1 spoonful of baking soda and its impact on our body and home. 1. Improves kidney function. When kidneys are damaged, they struggle to remove acid from the body, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis. This may worsen kidney function over time. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate acts as a base that neutralizes excess acids in the blood. This neutralization process may help maintain the body's pH balance, reducing the workload on the kidneys. By buffering the acid in the blood, baking soda helps to reduce the stress on the kidneys, potentially preserving their function for a longer period of time. This may be particularly beneficial for those in the early stages of chronic kidney disease, helping to delay the need for dialysis or a kidney transplant. For those with chronic kidney disease, managing the acid levels in the blood is crucial. When the kidneys cannot efficiently remove acid, it accumulates, leading to metabolic acidosis. This condition may cause various symptoms, such as fatigue, shortness of breath, and confusion, and may also lead to bone loss and muscle wasting. Baking soda helps counteract these effects by reducing acid levels, which may improve overall well-being and potentially slow kidney damage. Here's how you may incorporate it into your daily routine. First, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Once you have the green light, begin by dissolving 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink this solution once a day. It's best to start with a smaller amount, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to a full teaspoon as your body adjusts. 2. Enhances exercise performance. Taking a spoonful of baking soda daily may improve exercise performance, particularly during high-intensity activities, such as swimming or cycling. When you exercise vigorously, your muscles produce lactic acid as a byproduct of energy production, which may lead to a decrease in pH within the muscles, causing a burning sensation and fatigue. This acidity is a primary factor in muscle fatigue and decreased performance. When you consume baking soda, it increases the bicarbonate levels in your blood, which helps counteract the acid produced in the muscles. This buffering effect may delay the onset of muscle fatigue, allowing you to maintain a higher intensity of exercise for a longer period of time. To enjoy this benefit, it's important to use baking soda correctly. Mix about 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. This solution should be consumed 60 to 90 minutes before your workout. It's important to drink it well in advance of your exercise session to give your body enough time to absorb the bicarbonate and allow it to start buffering lactic acid effectively. 3. May soothe canker sores. Numerous things, such as minor wounds, stress, acidic or spicy foods, vitamin deficiencies, or hormonal changes, can result in canker sores or aphthous ulcers. These sores are often uncomfortable and may make eating, drinking, and speaking quite painful. When you apply baking soda to a canker sore, it helps to neutralize the acids in the mouth that may irritate the sore, thus providing relief from pain. Moreover, its mild antiseptic properties may help prevent infection in the sore, promoting faster healing. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps balance the pH levels in the mouth, creating an environment that is less favorable for the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms that may exacerbate the sore. Additionally, baking soda may help reduce inflammation and clean the affected area, which aids in the healing process. How to use baking soda to soothe canker sore. To use baking soda to soothe a canker sore, start by preparing a simple solution. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of warm water. Stir until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Then, take a mouthful of this solution and swirl it around your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. This may be done 3 to 4 times a day, especially after meals and before going to bed. Alternatively, you may make a paste by mixing a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of water until it forms a thick, spreadable consistency. Apply this paste directly to the canker sore using a clean cotton swab or your fingertip. Allow the paste to sit on the sore for a few minutes before rinsing your mouth with water. 4. Promotes digestive health. Many people experience digestive issues like heartburn, indigestion, and bloating due to excess stomach acid. This condition may lead to discomfort and pain after meals, affecting overall well-being. When you consume baking soda, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach to produce carbon dioxide, water, and sodium chloride. This reaction helps to neutralize the acid, reducing the symptoms of heartburn and indigestion. By balancing the pH levels in the stomach, baking soda may prevent the acid from causing irritation to the stomach lining and esophagus, which is often the cause of discomfort. In addition to neutralizing stomach acid, baking soda may also aid in the overall digestion process. It may help break down food more effectively, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. How to use baking soda to reduce heartburn. Once you have approval from your healthcare provider, you may begin incorporating baking soda into your daily routine. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink this solution on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning before breakfast or whenever you experience symptoms of indigestion or heartburn. This allows the baking soda to work effectively without interference from food. 5. Silverware polisher. Silverware often tarnishes over time due to a chemical reaction between the silver and sulfur-containing substances in the air. This tarnish appears as a dull, dark coating on the surface, which may be difficult to remove with regular cleaning methods. Baking soda, however, may help restore the shine without harsh chemicals or extensive scrubbing. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive and a natural cleaning agent. When combined with other common household ingredients, it may create a chemical reaction that removes tarnish from silver surfaces. The mild abrasiveness of baking soda helps to gently scrub away the tarnish without scratching the silver, while its cleaning properties help to lift and dissolve the tarnish, making it easy to wipe away. How to use baking soda to polish silverware. Start by lining a shallow bowl or basin with aluminum foil, shiny side up. Place the tarnished silverware on the foil. Next, boil enough water to cover the silverware, and once boiling, pour the hot water into the bowl. Add a spoonful of baking soda, about 1 tablespoon to the water. You may also add a pinch of salt to enhance the reaction. Allow the silverware to soak for a few minutes. The tarnish will begin to dissolve and transfer to the aluminum foil. After soaking, carefully remove the silverware from the solution using tongs or a spoon to avoid burning yourself. Rinse the silverware thoroughly under warm, running water to remove any residue, then dry it with a soft, clean cloth. Bonus tips. If the tarnish is particularly stubborn, you may make a paste using baking soda and a small amount of water. Apply this paste directly to the tarnished areas, gently rubbing with a soft cloth or sponge. This method allows for more targeted cleaning and may help remove any remaining tarnish that didn't come off during the soaking process. After polishing, rinse and dry the silverware as usual. 6. Maintain skin health. Dead skin cells may accumulate on the surface of the skin, leading to a dull complexion and clogged pores, which may cause acne and other blemishes. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that gently scrubs away these dead cells without causing irritation, revealing fresher, healthier skin underneath. This exfoliation process helps to promote cell turnover, which may improve the overall texture and appearance of the skin. Baking soda also has natural anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe irritated skin. This makes it particularly useful for conditions like acne, where inflammation is a significant issue. By reducing redness and swelling, baking soda may help to calm the skin and make blemishes less noticeable. Additionally, its antibacterial properties may help fight off acne-causing bacteria, further contributing to clearer skin. How to use baking soda on your skin. One popular method to use baking soda on skin is by making a simple paste. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a small amount of water to form a thick paste. Apply this paste to your skin, gently massaging in circular motions for a minute or two, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. This method may be used once or twice a week as a gentle exfoliant. Enjoy a baking soda bath. If you're dealing with more extensive skin issues, such as body acne or rough patches, consider a baking soda bath. Add a cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 5-20 minutes. This may help soothe irritated skin, reduce inflammation, and leave your skin feeling softer and smoother. 7. Air freshener. Compounds that are acidic or basic frequently cause odors in the air. Baking soda, being a mild alkaline substance, reacts with these odor-causing acids and bases to neutralize them, effectively removing the unpleasant smells from the environment. This neutralization process is different from traditional air fresheners that typically mask odors with a stronger scent. Instead of adding another layer of fragrance, baking soda breaks down and absorbs the odor molecules, leaving the air smelling clean and fresh. This makes it particularly useful for combating strong or persistent odors that might linger in your home, such as pet smells, cooking odors, or smoke. How to use baking soda as an air freshener. To use baking soda as an air freshener, you may try several easy and effective methods. One simple approach is to fill a small bowl or container with a spoonful of baking soda and place it in areas where odors tend to accumulate, such as the refrigerator, pantry, bathroom, or near trash cans. Over time, the baking soda will absorb the odors, helping to keep these spaces smelling fresh. Create an air freshener spray. Another method is to make a baking soda air freshener spray. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water. Then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and shake well. You may use this spray to freshen the air in any room, on upholstery, or on carpets. 8. Kitchen cleaner. A spoonful of baking soda may work as an effective kitchen cleaner due to its abrasive and alkaline properties. Its alkaline nature helps to neutralize acids, dissolve organic compounds, and break down grease and other sticky residues commonly found in the kitchen. When used as a cleaner, baking soda's abrasive particles gently scrub surfaces, removing stubborn stains and food particles. This makes it suitable for a variety of kitchen surfaces, including countertops, sinks, stovetops, and even cookware. Its ability to dissolve organic materials also helps in breaking down food residues and grease, making cleaning tasks easier and more effective. How to use baking soda to clean kitchen area. One common approach is to create a paste by mixing a spoonful of baking soda with a small amount of water. This paste may be applied directly to dirty or stained surfaces. Use a sponge or cloth to scrub the paste into the surface, focusing on areas with built-up grime or stains. After scrubbing, rinse the area with water and wipe it dry with a clean cloth. This method is particularly effective for cleaning countertops, sinks, and stovetops. Pour a spoonful of baking soda and a cup of vinegar down the drain to clean and maintain the drains. The mixture will fizz and bubble, helping to break down any buildup inside the pipes. After a few minutes, flush the drain with hot water to clear out the debris. 9. Pest control. When pests consume baking soda, it reacts with the acid in their stomachs, producing carbon dioxide gas. Unlike humans, pests cannot expel this gas efficiently, leading to internal pressure buildup, which eventually causes them to die. This method of pest control is non-toxic to humans and pets, making it a safe alternative to chemical pesticides. Baking soda also has desiccant properties, meaning it may absorb moisture. Many pests, such as cockroaches, thrive in moist environments. By using baking soda, you may help reduce the humidity levels in certain areas, making them less hospitable for pests. How to use baking soda for pest control. There are several methods to control pests with baking soda. For ants, you may create a simple bait by mixing a spoonful of baking soda with an equal amount of sugar. The sugar attracts them, while the baking soda acts as the lethal ingredient. Place this mixture in shallow dishes or directly along ant trails and entry points. The ants will consume the mixture and carry it back to their colony, eventually eliminating a larger portion of the population. To deter silverfish, sprinkle baking soda in areas where they are commonly found, such as basements, closets, and bookshelves. Silverfish thrive in dark, damp environments and are often attracted to starchy materials like paper and glue. By applying baking soda to these areas, you may reduce the moisture levels and create a less inviting habitat for silverfish. 10. Carpet stain remover. A spoonful of baking soda may effectively tackle various types of stains, including those from food, drinks, pets, and more. When applied to a carpet stain, baking soda works by absorbing moisture and lifting dirt and grime from the fibers. Its slightly abrasive texture helps to gently scrub away the stain without damaging the carpet. Additionally, baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize acidic substances, making it easier to remove stains caused by spills like wine, coffee, and juices. Baking soda also has deodorizing properties, which means it may eliminate unpleasant odors that often accompany carpet stains. This dual action of cleaning and deodorizing makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a fresh and clean carpet. How to use baking soda to clean carpet. To use baking soda for cleaning carpet stains, start by generously sprinkling a spoonful or more, depending on the size of the stain, directly onto the stained area. Allow the baking soda to sit on the stain for at least 15 minutes, but for tougher stains, letting it sit for several hours or even overnight may be more effective. After allowing the baking soda to sit, use a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly remove the powder and any loose dirt and debris. Here are the potential limitations of baking soda. While baking soda is a versatile and effective household staple, it does have some limitations and potential drawbacks when used for cleaning and other purposes. Here are a few considerations to keep in mind. 1. Skin sensitivity and irritation. Prolonged use of baking soda on the skin may cause dryness or irritation, especially for individuals with sensitive skin. Its alkaline nature may disrupt the natural pH balance of the skin, leading to discomfort or allergic reactions in some cases. 2. Abrasiveness on surfaces. While baking soda's mild abrasiveness is beneficial for scrubbing away stains and grime, it may also be too harsh for delicate surfaces. Using baking soda on surfaces like marble, granite, or glass may result in scratches or dullness. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first before applying it broadly. 3. Not effective for all stains. Baking soda is excellent for certain types of stains, particularly acidic ones, but it may not be effective against oil-based or dye-based stains. In these cases, specialized cleaners or detergents might be necessary to achieve the best results. 4. Potential chemical reactions. Mixing baking soda with certain substances may cause unwanted chemical reactions. For example, combining baking soda with vinegar produces carbon dioxide gas, which may be useful for cleaning but should be done in well-ventilated areas to avoid any risk of inhalation. Additionally, combining baking soda with acidic cleaning agents may neutralize their effectiveness. 5. Short-term solution. Baking soda often provides a temporary fix for odors and stains. For long-term results, especially in cases of severe staining or persistent odors, more intensive cleaning methods or professional treatments might be needed. Incorporating a spoonful of baking soda into your daily routine may offer numerous benefits for both your body and your home. From improving digestive and kidney health to serving as an effective household cleaner and deodorizer, baking soda is a versatile and natural solution for many common issues. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Well, viewers, we have discussed the many benefits of baking soda for our body and home in today's video. But you may already know that our diet is the secret to living a long and healthy life. Interested in learning more? Watch 10 health benefits of eating 2 eggs every day. Or watch 9 healthiest high-fiber foods your body needs daily. Watch one, or even better, watch both. Will you be incorporating baking soda into your routine from now on? Let us know in the comments below.